This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove ink from school uniforms. The key to successfully removing an ink stain is to act immediately. The longer an ink stain sits, the harder it becomes to remove. First, identify the type of ink if possible, as this can sometimes guide your approach. Then, gather your supplies: rubbing alcohol, several clean paper towels, and a small, clean white cloth. The most effective method for many common ink stains involves rubbing alcohol. Begin by placing a thick stack of clean paper towels directly underneath the ink stain on the uniform. This will absorb the ink as it lifts from the fabric. Next, dampen a small, clean white cloth or cotton ball with rubbing alcohol. Ensure it's damp, not soaking wet, to avoid spreading the stain further. Now, gently blot the ink stain with the alcohol-dampened cloth. Always blot from the outer edges of the stain towards the center to prevent it from spreading. As the paper towel underneath becomes saturated with ink, replace it with a fresh one. Continue this blotting process, reapplying alcohol to your cloth as needed, until the ink stain visibly fades or is completely gone. This might take several minutes. Once the ink stain is no longer visible, rinse the treated area of the uniform thoroughly under cold running water to remove any residual alcohol and loosened ink. Then, wash the uniform as you normally would, following the garment's care instructions. Before placing the uniform in the dryer, always double-check that the stain is completely gone, as heat can permanently set any remaining ink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.